All right, so before we jump into AI agents and the different AI agents that n8n utilizes, we need to understand kind of the framework and the backbone of how n8n uses large language models to create workflows and connect everything together. And that's where LangChain comes in. LangChain is one of the most popular open source frameworks that has essentially helped this AI revolution because it allows developers to build applications on top of large language models like ChatGPT or Claude and all these other popular large language models that are out there. If it wasn't for LangChain, there would be a lot of use cases that wouldn't be in the market right now. So you can basically think of customized applications that are being built on top of large language models with natural language is the reason why LangChain has become extremely popular amongst developers. And not only developers, a lot of very popular companies, including enterprise companies, are building a lot of stuff on top of this framework just because it makes everything extremely easy and it connects everything together so that way you can talk to external applications, you can bring in data and utilize large language models to be able to interact with everything and create really powerful real life use cases. So for example, things like chatbots, customer support related stuff, prompts, embedding, all of that is a combination that LangChain brings together with tools and different data, and you can then create multiple different workflows for different use cases. So that's kind of the overall summary of what LangChain is and how important it is when it comes to this AI ecosystem, specifically in the agentic AI ecosystems. When you're building agents, that's essentially what LangChain brings that power to the agents to be able to create these multi-dimensional workflows. All right, so now how does n8n utilize LangChain into their workflows? So you can think of LangChain kind of that sits in the middle of app development and large language models, and that's what n8n utilizes really well to be able to through this integration really build intelligent AI agents that has the ability to manage different aspects of these complex data that's coming in without any manual interventions, right? So you can do things like text analysis, content summarization, customer sentiment, and all of these different great things that we can do on top of these large language models is thanks to the integration of LangChain with n8n. And we'll talk about in detail. I'm going to do this demo in the next video, which is going to show you exactly what the difference is, because there is a difference between a regular chain, a basic chain in n8n versus an AI agent that utilizes LangChain to have the ability to interact and make decisions on its own. So make sure you check that out, but hopefully this gave you a good little summary. I'm going to put this napkin obviously on the page as well, so that way you have access to this. That way you can take a look at it in your own time and you have this resource. I'm also putting the link in their website. If you want to go ahead and check out further details, make sure you take a look because they have incredible docs on different aspects of LangChain and then their other products that they use.